Hi, my name is Nina, and welcome to Cloud Admin Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to set up your Cloud Admin account. Once you've signed in for the first time, you'll notice that there are a couple of things that you have to set up in order to use Cloud Admin, like your company name, your VAT registration number, your address, your trading address, postal address, and some income accounts. And finally, we'll create a customer, an invoice for a customer, and show you how to record the payments. And then we'll end off this tutorial by capturing a quick expense and showing you how you can generate an income statement, what your balance sheet will look like, and just give you an overview of how Cloud Admin works. First, we go to Setup, go to Company Setup, and on the screen you'll see a number of things that you can modify and change. The first section is your company details. This is required as a minimum. Lower down there are some templates and items that you can change and edit. These are for the documents and emails that the application produces. We can go into some more detail later. So let's start by editing a few of the required fields. First we edit the company name. We're just going to use a company called Bitbarn. This is the registered company name, and below that you can put in the trading name of the company. So let's quickly fill out those. We've set the trading address, postal address, company email address. Remember to use a role account. You don't want to send emails from your private email address, as your company will grow and you are going to employ new people are going to leave your company. Much better to have role accounts for things like help desk, accounts, and sales. Finally, we need to configure the VAT. If you're VAT registered, you need to put in your VAT number. And you need to select the period. SARS will allocate you to either Group A or B. Group A means that your VAT is for January, February, March, April, and November, December, etc. So your first VAT return for the year will be in January. If your VAT periods are in December, January, February, March, you'll be in Group B. And your first VAT return for the year will need to be submitted before the end of February. So now that we have the essential bits configured, you can also upload a logo. Just note what size makes sense, and it should be in a JPEG format. The rest of the setup for the company is for the email templates and document templates. You'll notice that there are little things that we call variables in curly brackets, like customer doc number. These would be replaced by, for example, the invoice number when you send out an invoice, or a quotation. The different variables that you can use are explained at the end of this section. We've also got SMS balance notification. Just remember that this should be less than 150 characters, and you need to make provision for things like customer name or the balance, which may add to the characters to make up the 150. We also have integration into SnapScan. So if you have a SnapScan account, you can add your merchant ID and API key here. So that's the minimum company setup. The next thing we must do is configure some income accounts. Income accounts allow us to group sales into various categories. This is useful for later on if you would like to see which sales categories are earning you the most money. So let's create an income account, and the first one we'll call software development. Let's say our rates are 800 Rand per hour. And there are various other things on the screen that you can adjust and modify. You'll see that there are a lot of things for the web. We are going to provide an API in the future so that you can draw in the various items that you sell. If you want to sell it online, you'll be able to pull it in from Cloud Admin. So that's all for now, but make sure to watch our other videos, and thanks for watching.